So this is knee joint. Osteoarthritis, most common joint, knee. Most common bone is not femur, it's not tibia, it is patella. Now, since fibula is lateral, tibia is medial, please understand that the weight bearing axis does not pass through midline, it passes slightly medial to midline. So in knee, medial compartment, lateral compartment, which is the most common compartment to undergo arthritis, which bears weight earlier and more, it is medial compartment. Now, since medial compartment bears more weight, therefore medial meniscus, which is the cushion between the medial femoral and medial tibial condyle, is most likely to undergo degeneration as compared to the lateral meniscus, which is between the lateral femoral and tibial condyle. Coming back to the conclusion, knee joint, most common joint to undergo osteoarthritis, knee joint. Most common bone in osteoarthritis of knee, patella. Which compartment narrows down, degenerates earlier and more? Medial. Why? Weight bearing axis passes through it. Out of the two menisci, lateral and medial, which degenerates more? Medial. Medial femoral condyle, a ligament is connecting and going far till medial tibial condyle, medial collateral ligament. The biggest advantage and disadvantage is the same, its length. Lateral femoral condyle and finishes till fibula is basically lateral collateral ligament. I said the biggest disadvantage is its length. What does that mean? That it is the most common ligament to undergo injury. I am saying injury, tear, trauma, sprain. Most common ligament to undergo degeneration, Most common ligament to undergo tear, trauma, sprain, MCL. Now, if you go inside, you will see a cross section of ligaments in which you will see an ACL and you will see a PCL. Maximum surgeries are done for which tear? ACL. So quick recap, in osteoarthritis, most common joint, knee. Most common compartment, medial. Most common bone, patella. Most common ligament to undergo degeneration, Most common ligament to undergo tear, trauma, sprain, MCL. Most common surgically operated ligament, ACL. Stay tuned for more. I wish you all the best. This is Dr. Tushar Mehta. Bye-bye.